Hello everyone, welcome to Turtle Fight.
Recently, where I live often rains. Someday, it rains all day. So my shoes need a week to dry. Sometimes, I get out in my sandal, but it is impolite. Follow me to solve this problem. My idea is to make a shoe drying box, so we need a shoe box. Something makes the hot temperature, and a fan blows the hot air. First I need to find a suitable plastic shoebox. This shoebox is $2.50. It okay, let's assemble it together. This is the heating element in the dryer. I bought it for 50 cents. Its resistance is 28.4 ohms, but I think I just need a half of it. To control the temperature I need a dimmer circuit. It cost $1.50. Finally, I bought a fan, but I make a mistake. It is so weak. Don't worry, when I use 12 voltage, it okay, and it cost $1. 12 voltage power supply cost $1. I will design a 3D cover for my device, and use a 3D printer to print it. This is all we need, and total cost is $8. Here is the wiring diagram of the whole device. Let's put everything together. Now I will check if it is working properly. Here I have a device that can measure temperature and humidity. Currently, the temperature is 27.9 degrees and the humidity is 84%. Turn on the device and see the result. I think my device has been working pretty well. After 5 minutes, the temperature is now 54 degrees and the humidity is 56%. Okay, continue with the reality check. These are running shoes that I just finished washing. I'll put it on the device and turn it on. It's 16:30. Let's wait and see. It's 17:31. The temperature in the box is 56.9 degrees and the humidity is 21%. I'll open the box and check. The shoes and laces are completely dry. Now I'm going to go out and run. This is a useful device. Goodbye and thanks for watching.